Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today we're gonna check out the BetaFPV Pavo20 Pro Nightfire Limited Edition. There are only 1000 units of this drone and they will be available for Black Friday. Let's open this box and see what makes this drone so special. First of all, you got the drone with the canopy itself and it looks pretty similar to the normal Pavo20 Pro. The only thing is this has a semi-transparent black frame and there is a reason for that. Because in the package you will find all of the extra screws and grommets you need, but also semi-transparent black propellers, compared to the non-transparent ones of the normal Pavo20 Pro. What really sets this drone apart is this multicolor RGB strip that has a ton of light effects on it, and it makes the drone shine very bright at night. The normal Pavo20 Pro already came with a single color light strip you had to choose. But this Nightfire edition will look cooler with the light effects that are gonna shine through the transparent housing. And really it's the same price as the regular Pavo20 Pro, so if you want more RGB bling and you want to get a Pavo20 Pro, really this is the right time to get this limited edition. Other than that, it's the same exact drone and it will fly the same way. So if you're curious about the review of the Pavo20 Pro, it's a great drone and you will find it in the description down below. For now, I'm gonna put the O3 into the Nightfire edition, put the LEDs on, wait till the sun sets, and then we're gonna check out those RGB effects. And boom, it's finally night. Let's turn on this drone and see how cool it looks. Boom, it flashes when you turn it on and then bam! A lot of rainbow colors and you can change the colors it makes. I tried going into the Betaflight LED section. You can customize them, but it also has a chip inside with pre-programmed LED games basically. Quick press the top button and it changes the speed of the effect. Quick press the bottom button and it changes the color. This is multicolored, so it doesn't apply, but if you long press the bottom button, boom, it changes the effect. Boom, only one color now. Boom, now you can select the color with the top button and you can cycle through the different colors. You have to try doing it a few times. Long press the bottom button again. It's a little bit hard, it's night and I'm doing it with a toothpick. Quick press the bottom button to change the speed of the effect, you see? And it cycles medium, low, high. And then change this, changes the color, the top button. Long press bottom button and you have this super cool effect. Long press bottom button again, it reverses. Press again, long press. You have the corners lighting up, which is super cool that it's programmed to do this at the corners. Long press again and this is a rainbow mode, changing colors. Long press again and we are back at the fully rainbow mode. And now I'm gonna try flying and I'm gonna show you how cool it looks at night. Of course the O3 system is not made to be flying at night, so I don't see very well when I'm flying. But I guess if I stay still and I get the drone orbiting me, I can put some light trail effect on DaVinci and it's gonna look cool. It's gonna just look like those long exposure shots. Luckily I have the light on my camera so you can see the drone. Boom. Let's try doing that light trail effect. Since I'm close to the lamp, I can see myself and I'm able to orbit myself. I guess it's gonna look cool. I'm gonna try doing some long exposure shot with this camera. Let's see how it turns out. I feel like I was able to get a couple cool shots, or at least the idea works. Maybe I need someone to help me with the camera, a better settings, a bit more precision with the movement, and have the perfect helix around myself. But that's gonna probably come in a short form vertical video, so stay tuned for that. And about this drone, for sure, if you don't wanna go unseen and you fly in darker times of the day, like after sunset or indoors, this is for sure a showstopper. And since, again, it's the same price as the Pavo20 Pro, if you were looking to buy one of these, probably this is the right time to do so. Also, I feel like this shouldn't be a limited edition. Oh my god, it turned off. I feel like it shouldn't be a limited edition because it's just a strip of LEDs you apply to the border. And probably they should make those LEDs available to everyone having a Pavo20 Pro. Even the regular black frame is gonna shine very, very bright. So yeah, that's that, but let's see what happens in the future. And that's all for today. Remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about this lighting effect. Do you find them cool or not? And as always, if you want to buy something, check out the links in the description below. You help this channel a lot and many times you will find coupons. Stay safe and happy flying. Bye!